On YouTube Nation, this is Darth Dividend. Here is my update, my E-Trade dividend portfolio with me putting in money in my dividend portfolio and letting the compound interest kick in. So my goal, my long-term goal, I mean, there's going to be more goals, probably more ambitious, but my first goal on my monthly dividends, I want to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. So let's just say here's an example right here, in this spot, in this spot, in this spot, in this spot. Okay, but anyways, the compound interest is kicking in. If you look at my previous dividend portfolios in my channel, I'm starting to kick some ass. My estimated income's increasing significantly and exponentially. So I put some money. I'll just show you my portfolio right now. Here's gain. Here's good. I just did a stock analysis on good, and I made a comment about how 3 stocks I bought. Here's RCL. They're down right now, but I can buy more dividends in the long run because of this. Here is Franklin Resources. This is a really good, I think, an acquisition I made. AQN is a energy stock. They're starting to grow a little bit, so I'm probably going to put some more money in them. They are raising their dividend. Americold Realty Trust. This is another stock that I think has a lot of potential. It's a real estate investment trust that gives off a quarterly dividend, and where people store food, like for stores and stuff. This is the stopping point. So they make people pay rent. Entertainment properties, these guys took a huge blow. I mean, this is this kind of sucks, but this is a anything with the word entertainment, you're going to take a big blow. So that's my monthly stock. I got Main Street Capital. They're rolling right now. I know that they took a hit, as well as Realty Income and Stag. Those guys took a little bit of a blow, but honestly, over time, the dividends will reinvest and it'll be stronger each time. So I'm getting a rate of pretty much 12 cents. My estimated income for 23 shifts, I probably should put some more money in that, because the rate I don't think is, I don't feel too good about that. Realty Income, it's slowly going up, and that's not where I want to be. But again, I'm eventually going to be at that rate where I'm getting a share each time I make payments, or 2 shares. So in the long run, it's going to just keep on adding up. BGS, they're doing pretty well. I'm up on those guys. They give off a quarterly dividend. So I need to kind of figure out where I can get a little bit of quarterly within this time frame, where I get dividends with Stag and Gain and all these guys. So that's one thing I need to look into a little bit, but I'm still getting monthly dividends from these guys. So here's just an example. Let's just say in May, next 2 months. Here's an example in 2 months, just how I'm doing. That's $114, and that's mostly my monthly stocks: Stag, Main, Store. I mean, so that's not too bad. Americold Realty Trust, and then let's do 3 months. So it's still not bad, but it's I still need to get a little bit more dividends and be a little bit more aggressive on my quarterly dividends, because again, I'm trying to make 1,000 or so. Here's Gain and good, like it's getting up there, so that's not too bad. But again, these are, over time, it's going to grow. So this is what's getting me excited about this. Now, why would I just pocket $200? I mean, I don't, I can just pick up more shifts as a nurse. I know we're going through a rough time, but again, this is starting to kick in. This is when I'm getting really exciting, and I'm getting excited. I'm actually pretty tired from my shift, But you're seeing what's going on right now. Things are going really well. I mean, the next year, things are adding up. So this is why I'm posting videos, not just to motivate myself, but to motivate you guys on here to understand that compound interest will kick in. I know we're going through a rough time. I know it's going to be rough with investing and dividends and things take a hit. But again, time is on your side if you're patient. And that's why, the goal of compound interest and DRIP, or dividend reinvestments, are very important. So I appreciate you watching this. I'm going to post my M1 finance shortly. But for right now, here's my E-Trade dividend portfolio on how things are going. Again, I appreciate you watching this. Look at, ouch. Look at that. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That hurts. But still, it'll eventually go back up. So I'm not too worried. The market will fix itself. Let the dividends reinvest and let it go from there. So that's the exciting thing. So again, thank you for watching this. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm pretty tired doing this, but again, I'm kind of excited just to see these dividends start kicking in and the compound interest kicking in. So, think about just $1,000, what you can do in your life. Car payments, student loans, just things like that. I mean, this is what being a dividend investor is about. So this is the exciting thing. And the journey when it grows, and to see a lot of your videos grow as well as your dividend portfolios grow, that's pretty exciting. So thank you again. You guys have a great Friday and take care. Make sure you wash your hands, keep your hands away from your face, do some social distancing, stay away from people who are sick, and make sure you don't infect other people out there. So take care and have a good weekend.